Okay, welcome back. This is my how to build a page video number 2. So we're still on the pages. This is just a continuation of where we left off before. So basically what you can do is really just kind of come over here, and this is perfectly fine, and you could just copy this information, come over to your page, and just paste it right in there. Now you've kind of got some content to work with. Again, you'll want to go in and change, you want to restructure your sentences. You could take 3 or 4 of the first sentences, like these 3 or 4 here, and just spin them. Make them different. You don't want to make them the same. You could read it and then just start up here and start typing, I want to address, or you could put, let's look at the GDI product line up. I missed the L there. And see, I've respun just that first part, and it's a little time consuming, but if you're not really good at writing, it's a great way to go in and just say, hey, I got some content, I know kind of how it needs to be laid out, and I can just change it up and make it different, make it my own from there. Now, to add an image, if you're down here, and you'll notice over here, you'll say, okay, he's got this image here, and I want to add, by all means, any of the images in the videos, those can be the same ones, add them right in. You just come up here. First, you'll have to go and get the image, and so I usually just Google and just images, and you could just type in GDI search. Maybe I should have put in global domains, but all the images will start to come up here. So if I want to upload an image, I just simply right click, save image as, and then what I do is I have jailed, and then I have downloads. So any of the downloads that I do, that's where this pops up automatically for me. But you could just create, on your desktop, Gerald, or your name, and then downloads, and then you just put the name that you want to give it, GDI logo or whatever, and then you just save it. Just hit save, and it'll stick it in that file there for you. Then when you come over here and you want to put an image right there, you just hit this is add an image, select files, and see I'm under Gerald and downloads. It pops up for me. So and these are just all the downloads. I just find which one I want. I click on it, I open, and then there's the image. I usually do full size. Now I usually do none for alignment. If you align it left or right or center, and you write content underneath that video, it will tendency to bring it up into the video, and you can't figure out why, and that's what's happened. So I just usually hit none and just insert it into the post, and then let's save draft. You can always save your draft as many times as you want. It doesn't mean when you save draft. I'm in HTML. I could have been in visual matter. This is a real. The visuals, what you're actually people are going to see. HTML, as you get more comfortable with this, you can do HTML code. And there's my image. Now to add a video, if you wanted to put this video in, you could just click right there on video, and just scroll over to embed. There's the script that we want right there, and we want it to 40 by 360. Simply copy that. Come back over to your page. You got to remember where you're at on your visual. We're at the very end of it. Come over to HTML. See, I'm all the way at the bottom here, see? So I want to go one more down, or a couple more. Paste that image in. Save it. And then go. Now, for some reason, I don't know why mine's not showing up on the visual, but I'm missing something. I got to go in there and mess around with it. But if I go to preview, there's the video. See, it's showing up on the preview. Oh, there it is. But normally, you would see it on the visual right here. But so I got a script or something that's interfering with that. I got to go figure it out. But normally, you would see that video right there. Now, once you're done and you like everything and everything looks good, you do have to publish it. Before you do that, you have to come into the all-in-one SEO pack. You know what? I'm going to pause or stop this one, and I'll see you at the next video when we'll finish up on pages. Thanks.